So, some excellent presentations so far, but we saved the best for last. It's my pleasure to bring up the next group. They are actually a group of my students. They are graduates of infamous robotics, robotics expansion summer camps, and they've gone through an 8-month process to build an entire robot, an intelligent robot, from nothing, from a piece of paper, sentence on a piece of paper, an idea, all the way through the prototype that they've designed here and tested it. So it's my pleasure to introduce the smartest group of children in this country, the most intelligent group of children in this country, and the future of robotics building, the Robotics Inventors Club.
Hi, my name is Kareem Jaber. I am 11 years old, and I am part of the Robotics Inventors Club, a group of children making a robot to solve a real-world problem and make the world a better place. Our club was founded by Infamous Robotics, and we are sponsored by ENSCO and George Mason University School for Engineering. Next slide. To be allowed to attend this camp, first must go through a series of summer camps that teach you the basics of building a robot, from building circuits to programming. The Robotics Inventors Club has been working on a robot that we would like to share with you for 8 months since October, and we have transformed an idea to a whole prototype. The Robotics Inventors Club has 3 teams that work individually and together to solve problems along the way. The mechanical engineers, which design the structure of the robot, the electrical engineers, which design the circuitry of the robot, and the software engineers, which program the robot. Now, different team members will tell you more in depth about their team.
Hi, my name is Rayhan. I'm 11. The mechanicals are in charge of the structure of the robot and the beam which holds up the robot, and we were in charge of the dimensions here. We picked wheels for the robot, and the electricals were the ones to mount the wheels, and we were the ones to actually mount the electricals.
Next slide. Next slide. So I am Lena, and I am 10 years old. I am part of the electrical engineers. The electrical engineers, they make the circuits for the robot, and they draw the schematic interconnect diagram, which maps out where everything is going to be, so nothing is colliding with each other, so it's all organized. We also put the circuit and stuff inside the robot, and we wired it all up, so everything is connected with each other. Next slide.
I'm Addie P. Davis, and I'm 11. I'm part of the software engineers team, and we typed the program in C language, and it was 425 lines, and we made it. Next slide. The problem was that there was an Ebola outbreak in the US at the time when we made Anna, so we made Anna. And Anna helps nurses, so nurses don't get infected while handling the patients. Anna delivers food, water, and medicine to the patient.
Next slide. Our solution to this problem is ANA, which stands for Autonomous Nurse Assistant. Autonomous means that the robot is not controlled by remote control, but been controlled by commands and programming. The drawing on the screen is one of the first drawings our mechanical engineers drew to design the structure of the robot. Along the way, many changes had to be made because of problems we ran into, such as the robot was too big to go through a doorway, or that the robot was too small to reach a vent. We did this from scratch without any toy kit. We completed it from an idea to a whole prototype. Since we did not have any kit, we ordered each individual piece, exactly which one we wanted, to make the robot the best it could be.
Next slide. Our solution is Anna. Our robot was designed, our prototype was designed to bring food, medicine, and water to the patient. If it was a contagious patient, the nurses wouldn't have to catch the disease because the robot would be able to do the work for them. This is made not to get rid of nurses' jobs, but to help the doctors and other medical providers.
Next slide.
Our robot's name is Anna, which stands for Autonomous Nurses Assistant. Autonomous means that it's without remote control.
Next slide. You guys should use our solution, well, anybody like hospitals and stuff, should use our solution because it delivers water, drinks, food, and medicine without the nurses getting infected, which is good. And it's best used in hospitals and nursing homes. And
Next slide. So this is Anna in action. This is one of our tests. So Anna right now is going toward the patient to deliver the food and medicine on its 3 trays. Also, that person sitting on the bed is a dummy, so it's not going to grab his food. So right now, Anna is waiting for the patient to grab food. But since the dummy cannot grab food, Anna is now going back to the station. Keep in mind that this is only 1 bed, but we have programmed it fully to do 3 beds, then come back to the station.
next slide. In the future, to perfect our robot, we would like to make it waterproof so that if any drinks that spills, it will not mess up the robot, and so we will be able to disinfect it and wash it so it doesn't infect anybody. And we would also like it to not serve just 3 beds, but maybe 5, 10, 15 beds, who knows how many.
Next slide. After 8 months of work, we finally got our final product.